First, get your NVR ready. And then prepare for a screwdriver. And please use a screwdriver to take off the 4 screws attached on the side of the NVR. Now we can open the NVR. And please put your hard drive in first and make sure it is an SATA hard drive. And there are 2 cables that come with the NVR that you can connect to the SATA drive you have. We recommend putting the cables aside first and ensure your SATA drive has the following 2 ports. And we put the hard drive in the correct position and we flip the NVR. What you need to do is take the screws out of the accessory pocket and fasten the hard drive from the back of the NVR. And these are the 4 holes that you need to twist the small screws. Then flip the NVR back, connect the 2 cables to the SATA hard drive. The pinkish cable controls the data transmission, and the other cable controls power transmission. Now we have finished installing the hard drive, and we just put the cover back again. And don't forget to fasten the cover by twisting the 4 screws on the side of the NVR.